Excuse me, where is the park?
It's right behind the library.
Can you tell me the time?
Yes, it's 3:30 p.m.
Do you know where the bus stop is?
Yes, it's across the street.
Can I sit here?
Sure, please have a seat.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
Do you know the way to the train station?
Yes, go straight and turn left.
Can you help me carry this bag?
Of course, give it to me.
Excuse me, is there a cafe nearby?
Yes, just around the corner.
Do you have a pen I can borrow?
Yes, here you go.
Can you take a picture of me?
Sure, give me your phone.
Excuse me, where is the restroom?
It's next to the entrance.
Do you know what time the park closes?
Yes, at 8 p.m.
Can I walk with you?
Sure, let's go together.
Excuse me, is this the way to the museum?
Yes, just keep walking straight.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just a few blocks away.
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Yes, try the one near the park.
Excuse me, is it safe to walk here at night?
Yes, it's safe, but be careful.
Do you know where I can buy water?
Yes, at that small shop.
Can you tell me your name?
Yes, I'm David.
Excuse me, how far is the library?
It's about 10 minutes from here.
Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every day.
Can I join you on the bench?
Of course, please sit down.
Excuse me, do you know that man?
Yes, he's my friend.
Can you help me find my way?
Yes, where do you want to go?
Do you know if the park has Wi-Fi?
Yes, it does.
Excuse me, what bus goes to the mall?
Bus number 12.
Can I use your phone to make a call?
Yes, here it is.
Do you play sports here?
Yes, sometimes football.
Excuse me, is there a playground for kids?
Yes, over there.
Can you show me the map?
Sure, here it is.
Excuse me, do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Can you tell me the nearest hotel?
Yes, it's 2 streets away.
Do you know where I can park my car?
Yes, in that parking lot.
Excuse me, where is the nearest ATM?
It's near the cafe.
Can you guide me to the city center?
Yes, follow this road.
Do you know when the next bus comes?
Yes, in 10 minutes.
Excuse me, how much is the ticket?
It's 50 rupees.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Do you know if pets are allowed here?
Yes, they are.
Excuse me, is smoking allowed in the park?
No, it's not.
Can you tell me the weather forecast?
Yes, it will rain later.
Do you come here with friends?
Yes, sometimes.
Excuse me, is there a jogging track here?
Yes, right there.
Can you show me the way to the fountain?
Yes, follow me.
Do you like this park?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Excuse me, where can I buy a ticket?
At that counter?
Can I feed the birds here?
Yes, you can.
Do you know where I can find a taxi?
Yes, at the main gate.
Excuse me, how old is this park?
It's about 50 years old.
Can you tell me a good place to visit?
Yes, the museum nearby.
Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Yes, go ahead.
Do you know if bicycles are allowed here?
Yes, they are.
Can you tell me the name of this street?
Yes, it's Green Street.
Excuse me, how long will it take to walk there?
About 15 minutes.
Can you help me read this map?
Yes, let's see.
Do you know if there's free parking?
Yes, near the entrance.
Excuse me, is there a hospital nearby?
Yes, 2 blocks away.
Can you tell me where I can buy snacks?
At the shop near the gate?
Do you know when the park opens?
Yes, at 6 a.m.
Excuse me, can you tell me the way to the lake?
Yes, go straight and turn right.
Can you lend me some change?
Yes, here you are.
Do you know if pets need a ticket?
No, they don't.
Excuse me, where can I throw this trash?
In that bin.
Can you tell me how to get to the stadium?
Take bus number 5.
Do you know if this place has CCTV?
Yes, it does.
Excuse me, can I walk my dog here?
Yes, you can.
Can you tell me the nearest metro station?
It's 1 kilometer away.
Do you like walking in the park?
Yes, very much.
Excuse me, do you know where the exit is?
Yes, that way.
Can I borrow your umbrella?
Sure, take it.
Do you know if this park has security guards?
Yes, it has.
Excuse me, where can I get drinking water?
At the water cooler.
Can you tell me the fastest way to the airport?
Take a taxi from here.
Do you know if bicycles can be rented here?
Yes, they can.
Excuse me, how much is the bus fare?
It's 30 rupees.
Can you tell me if there's Wi-Fi here?
Yes, it's free.
Do you often come alone?
Yes, I do.
Excuse me, do you know the name of this park?
Yes, it's Central Park.
Can you help me cross the road?
Of course, let's go.
Do you know if there's a zoo nearby?
Yes, not far from here.
Excuse me, can you show me the way to the library?
Yes, it's over there.
Can I take a rest on this bench?
Yes, please do.
Do you know if skating is allowed?
Yes, it is.
Excuse me, do you know any nearby hotels?
Yes, 2 blocks away.
Can you tell me how to get to the beach?
Take bus 21.
Do you come here in the morning?
Yes, usually.
Excuse me, do you know if there's a pharmacy nearby?
Yes, across the street.
Can you tell me the way to the cinema?
Yes, walk straight.
Do you know how far the mall is?
About 2 kilometers.
Excuse me, where is the taxi stand?
Near the entrance.
Can you tell me if kids need tickets?
No, they don't.
Do you like reading in the park?
Yes, I do.
Excuse me, can I walk through this gate?
Yes, it's open.
Can you tell me the price of entry?
It's free.
Do you know if music concerts are held here?
Yes, sometimes.
Excuse me, do you know where the parking lot is?
Yes, over there.
Can I use this path for cycling?
Yes, it's allowed.
Do you know if the fountain works today?
Yes, it does.
Excuse me, where can I rent a bicycle?
At the small shop.
Can you tell me if pets are allowed in the cafe?
No, they are not.